Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan again from Milkyway Art Design. So today I am going to make another modified bloom pour on a 12-inch by 12-inch wooden panel. First I want to show you how I prepared my surface. So as you can see, it's dried and I paint and prime both back and front side of the wooden panel, and also I tape on the back side. As you can see, I'm showing you that there are some unevenness on the corner, and it's okay because the thickness of the pillow is going to basically cover up all the imperfections on the surface. So as you can see that I'm spreading my paint using a spinners to make sure that there's not much paint left in the center, because otherwise when I put my design on, or little puddles on the surface, they will spread up too much, which I don't want. For this pouring, I'm using an wooden panel instead of a ceramic tile, because when I try to ship them out of state clients, the problem I run into is like I have to put it in a frame because I don't want to break the ceramic tiles, and that creates a lot of problem for me. So this time I'm using a wooden panel. That way it's going to be way more easier for me to ship it out of state. If you have not seen my previous videos, I just wanted to mention here the cell activator that I'm putting on the green puddles. I am putting them closer to the flowers. So the cell activator is not centered in the middle of the greens. It's actually on the corner side, and the corner side I'm picking which is closer to the flowers. So when I blow the cell activator on the greens, I will make sure that I blow the cell activator to actually opposite directions of the flowers. That way it will give a naturalistic leaf vein kind of thing. Once I'm done, you'll notice that you'll see that kind of shape going on my pattern. Look at this flower. As I blow, and I'm blowing against the flower, and you can see that the cell activator is spreading on the green in a way that they look like little veins. Now we can start modifying the bloom, and this is my most favorite part. As you can see, I have so much fun with these. This one was already so pretty in person without even any modification. So I was really struggling not to mess it up. And you'll see that as I modify it, I'm really thinking, like overthinking, what should I do just to make sure that I don't mess it up. As you look at this composition, I was not very keen about clustering all the flowers together. I loved that there was some space in between the flowers because the gray background was so elegant and rich looking. I wanted it to shine through the flowers. As I am spinning, you'll see that some of the flowers will like drop out of the panel, but that's okay because the other flowers that are on the panel, they are going to spread up, so it's perfectly fine. Wow, this one turned into absolutely beautiful and at the same time elegant with the gray and the pink. Wow. So this one is available for sale and it's going to go to my Etsy shop very soon. Let me take you down and show you close up how pretty this one is. Look at that. I cannot tell you. I hope my camera can catch all the beauty of this one. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great day.